Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to open Google Wallet. If we don't have Google Wallet on our device, we have to just install it from Play Store. As you can see, we have to update our Google Wallet. Now we can open the app. Here we have to click Add to Wallet. Now we have to click on a loyalty card. Here we can choose what the loyalty card we want. I don't know, for example, this one. And we can scan the QR code with our camera or enter ID manually. Now we have to click Add to Wallet. And as you can see, that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!